isso é um fato. Somos farinha do mesmo saco. Não sei porquê, não me diz. Tu gostas, eu não sei. Então o que é que tem? Estás sempre no vai e vem. A minha companhia faz-te bem. A droga rouba a ladrão. 10 anos de perdão, mas ao viveres no pecado, incremente na oração, fazes de Cinderela, és a minha vilão. Dizes que eu sou feia, para ti sou uma utopia. Sou vampiro, sou vampiro. Eu não quero compromisso, eu não quero compromisso. Paixão e love, mas contigo, baby, não dá. Contigo, baby, não dá. Ei, para te fazer minha número 1, seres só tu e mais ninguém. E de dia queres mostrar que tu és a minha Cinderela, mas à noite você transforma. Moça, ficas muito à toa, mas é assim que eu gosto, por isso que eu te aprovo. Contigo não vou ser o cupido, mas vou tentar o beijo do vampiro. Vou-te fazer o Iva para mim, esta noite vais gritar por mim. Yeah. Sou vampiro, sou vampiro. Eu não quero compromisso, eu não quero compromisso. Sou vampiro, sou vampiro. Eu não quero compromisso.
Fazes-te de vítima, mas somos iguais. Temos uns toques vitais, mortais, sensualidade demais. Sem enrolar, vamos direto ao assunto. Na escuridão do teu corpo eu vou-te fazer esquecer o mundo. Vou-te sugar, te mordeu modo um vampiro. Enrola no meu corpo, te quis sentir o suspiro. Não está sozinho, nunca crepa, ninguém se trova. Hoje tem eclipse total, lua nova. Cima fera, meia-noite e minta transforma. Tabira, perigo, mago gosta assim no torna. Coisa mais fácil e vou por isso ser sincera por mim. Nunca te julga ninguém, nunca prefiro si. Sem compromisso, moça, chila, baby, pausa. Tu vives no pecado, dizes que é por minha causa. Tu tens sempre sede, eu caio tipo água. Por ti sou vampiro, moça, chama-me Drácula.
E quando eu te arrasto na noite, eu vivo na noite, te pego na noite. E quando eu te arrasto na noite,
Opening to the side. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. I return. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Very good. 5, 6, 7. To the other side. 3, 5, 6, 7. I always will finish the third using a Lambada. Okay? Because when I will be dancing with you, 1, 3, I can do the start to both sides. And you need the opening to stop. You need 1, 2, 3.
Lambada we use more the opening handles. Okay? But you can open. Okay? When you open first, you are given the control of your hand. Okay? So, try to do with me. You will do a circular head movement until this point. Okay? You don't will go to the another side. You will stop here. And from here, together with the left step, you will go back. So we go up. You go up. 1, 2. Assim, eu vou de vontade. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 4, 7. See, 7. Oh. Okay? Why am I doing this all the time? Because everybody do the chicote on this first step doing this. Going down. You will go down, but before go down, you need to active the passive hand. Yes. Okay? So, when you do the chicote, for me, don't think about a V in your head. Not like this. It's a C. Yes. Okay? Circle. Okay? The feeling is like I'm drawing one C. I'm not drawing a V. Okay? Okay? Try to do with the hand. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 3, 10. And together with this transfer, the head needs to go up in a mechanical way, okay? Very mechanical. I don't will go this move like with 1, 2. 2, you need to finish up. Okay? Right. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2. Yes. Again. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2. And if you wanna, on the final, you can enjoy that the head is on up and relax to this side to do a head movement. Go up. But when I do the chicote, I just do the first one. But sometimes I feel the desire to do the second one. Okay? Right, one more time. Now, without my hand. Together with this hand, try to always go up. Together with the movement of the head. And I always start on the diagonal, okay? It's not going up. Here. Okay? On the same direction of your shoulder, okay? But on the diagonal to up. Yes. Think that I don't need to go straight. Yeah. And you don't need to open, okay? Same line of your body. And one movement that I repeat all the time when I do chicote is this one. Close and open. I will always close the third, and when I do the chicote, I open. So always when I do the chicote, do close it. I don't forget. And I let you alone. Yes, now you don't close, don't have problem. Okay? But always when I turn, I like to close. Try to practice this both ways. Without close and also close. Okay? And always when I lead you the chicote on this song, I want to see you improving your head. So try to understand. The circular movement. And the steps is the secret, okay? So I know that between the third, the head will be circular, and when I step back, the head goes straight. And one more thing, amiga. When I do the third, when I step the right, together with this cursor, I need to our right. Okay, so when I step the right, I am already closer. Okay, because when I step the left, I will go up. Try one more time along. And close up. Yes. You can do this with your hair. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Yes, you have a long hair, right? Today you're, but try to think that this beginning is so you can control your hair. Okay, yes. Okay. I was going to open exactly, you can control it. Yes. You need to feel this way of your hair, okay? I was trying to ask you to let your hair. See, I want to see you feel your ponytail, okay? Thank you. Okay. You are giving me a good impression when we're dancing, but I was going to get more sweet to go. You need to feel the same step that goes through. Okay? Think about the
To take my love away. I'm comfortable on all these things.
more to here. So, you understand the chicote? Yes, right? You just need to fix the way that it is. But you're already doing it. Okay? Let's go for the drum step. Do you know to do the drum? Yes. Try to do it with me. What is the secret of this? It's the same logic of forward. Always when I'm going forward, I will cross or forward. Okay? Always when I'm going back, I'll back, cross, open, forward, cross, open, back, cross, open, forward, cross, open, back. See how you are going in a circular intention when you are doing this. And this is the focus of the drum step. It's not show a beautiful footwork, okay? But feel that your body is going on the circular intention. So try to do it with me from the forward to back, okay? So 5, 6, forward and back. 1, 2, 3, just forward and back. 7, 1, 2, 3. Drum step now. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, forward. 5, 6, back. 1, 2, forward. And don't be afraid to go forward and go back. Completely. So 1, 2, 3. I'm really go forward. 5, 6, 7. I'm really going back. I don't step the back like a diagonal, okay? I need to really go back. So again, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, forward. 5, 6, back. 1, 2, forward. 5, 6, back. Okay? You as a follower, I was going to do the drum step. You also do 1 third. Okay, so let's try to do the drum step with a third starting on 7. Okay? So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. You see? On 7, that I repair the third. And third. 1, 2, 3. And on 3, I will be walking again to forward. So one more time. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. And when you turn on the drum, you don't need to do a people. Okay? You turn one. Let's see one time. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. On 3, you walk forward. But if you in the car, you walk. Okay? 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, let's go. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Okay? And then, how is the knee? I was going to ask you, the intention of forward and back. You're thinking on this, okay? Not forward and back. But on Lambada, all the dynamics are going so clear. So when I need you, this intention, you will do the same but keeping circle. And this will make the drum step happen. So you will feel I'm putting you forward, but you need to continue exactly. So, forward and back. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Drunk step. 1, 2, 3. Boneca, here we go. And 1. Okay? One thing that make me never lose the boneca anymore is understand that I was when a third and I do the boneca. The boneca is the same direction. So you think that we do the third, but I don't stop here. I will continue. The same third. Just like that. Okay? On the same direction of the third. So although we'll be thinking too much, what are we doing on boneca? On boneca, 3, So see, on 3 or 3 you are doing this. 1, 2, 3. On 3, you are here. And you don't have to do this. On 3, you need to be still on the right. 1, 2, 3. On 3, you still are on the right. After 3, and 5, 6, 7. On 7, you still are on left. Okay? So let's go to the last step. It's the little roll. Or rolinho in Portuguese. Rolinho. Little roll. Okay? Always when we're doing the boneca, I can do a little turn to come back to the neck again. Okay? And this is like the roasted chicken. But it's actually on the neck intention. Okay? And I was going to do on Lambada, this roasted chicken needs to be slow. The roasted chicken on the bottom. It's an idea. So you are here doing the neck. Yes. And I will leave you to turn. Yes. 5, 6, 7. And come back to the neck again. Very good. 1, 5, neck. So 5, 1. Always when I walk, I need you also to walk. Okay? So try to feel when I'm doing start that. But try to feel also when I start to walk. Exactly. So when I'm starting to walk, I want to try to do the same. Okay? Yes. This is the detail about the head movement that I say. When I do on Brazilian zoom, I need to focus about my head to do a rotation. When I do on Lambada, I can be on the head movement here. But when I do the rodinho, I cancel and come back to the head after. What you just need to do on the little roll is look to your partner on 3 and on 7. So I can be doing a head movement. 5, 6, 7. I will do the little roll. 5, 6, 7. I cancel. 5, 6, 7. So see, I always will be look at you on 3 and on 7. So 1, 2, just see. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. I will do that. 1, 3, 5, 6. I was doing it. So try and the arm. Hours 1 to 3, you are opening the intention. And on 5, 6, 7, you will change and close. Okay? And it's always this logic. On 1 to 3, you are opening. On 5, 6, 7, you are closing. So the way that you are closed is up to you. You can close with the arm. Stretch it. You can close. Again. You can close. Fasten the hand on here. I'll show you. 1, 2, 3. Stretch. 1. So always when you close, the movement is moving. So try to do it with me on Wi-Fi. Okay? Good next. 5, 5, 6, 7. 5, let's go. 1, 5. Again. 5. So, 1, 5. One more time. 1, 7. And try to think. When we're close. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. If you are here on 7, without look at me, you will lose the lead. Okay, on 7 you need to be doing high 4. Because if I do a little roll and a chicote since after, you need to see me to receive. Okay? Try one time. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1. Be aware, okay? Let's try this one. Little roll, okay? I will try on Wi-Fi, but I will also try on the phone. Yes. And I was doing one doing this one. I was when we're coming back on one, and your arm into up on the neck. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. The arm. 1. Because if you are alone, the arm needs to tap. Will be the same when you have the motion. If the arm is free, you need to use it. Okay? 3, you need to be still on the right. 1, 2, 3. On 3, you still are on the right. After 3, and 5, 6, 7. On 7, you still are on left. Okay? So let's go to the last step.